morning, middle 3. Today we have lesson 2 in the Trig. Okay, first, the title of the lesson. Today, talk about the main trig ratios of acute angle. What the meaning of the main trig ratios of acute angle? First, we have to know all the lesson of the trig. And this year, we have to get right angle triangle like that. Okay? This triangle ABC and right angle at B. Okay? And what is the type of angle C and the angle A? Acute angles. Excellent. So in this lesson, we will talk about the acute angles which lies in the right angle triangle. So the very important condition to get right angle triangle. Okay? First, when we talk about angle C, okay, what I will do? I have to name the sides according to angle C. First, any side opposite to angle B, which is right, is called hypotenuse. Okay? We have studied before in middle 2 and middle 1. The side which is opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. And now, when we talk about angle C, the side AB is called opposite. It's called what? Opposite to angle C. And the third side, which is BC, is called the adjacent to angle C. This is the first point. Okay? What are the ratios which we have? We have 3 ratios. The first one is called the sine. And the second one is called cosine. And the third ratio is called tan. Okay? If I ask you to get sine C and to find cosine C and to find tan C. First, I have to know the ratio of each one. The sine of angle C or the ratio of the sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, this is the rule. You have to keep this rule. The ratio of the cosine, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, and the ratio of the tan, which is opposite over adjacent. Okay, so first, before we start to solve any problem, you have to study these rules. The sine, which is opposite over hypotenuse, or O over H, short form. The second one, the cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse, or A over H. The third one, which is the tan, equals opposite over adjacent, or O over A. Okay? We can study these rules in easy way from this magic triangle. As this is the sine, equal opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? And the cosine equal adjacent over hypotenuse. Excellent. and the tan equal opposite over adjacent. This is the rules of today, our lesson today. Okay? So before we start to study this lesson, I have to keep this rules. Okay? Okay. Go to the next part. We can get the rules from this figure. Look at this triangle, the first one. We have the trig ratios. Trig ratios, sine, cosine, tan. Okay? The first one, the sine ratio. What is the sine ratio? In this triangle, sine equal opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? And in this triangle, the cosine equal adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent over the hypotenuse. And the tangent, which is the tan, equal opposite over adjacent. This is tan theta. Theta is the name of the angle. Theta is Latin letter, like X and Y. Okay? So to get sine theta, opposite over hypotenuse, cosine theta adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan theta, which is opposite over adjacent. Okay? These three rules our lesson today. Now we can start to solve problems on this part. Okay? Open your booklet. Page 7. Okay? Number 8. He gave me the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay? So first, I have to draw the triangle myself. And this triangle is right angle triangle. The very important point, right angle at what? Right angle at B. So I have to write B in the first. Okay? A, B, C. The length, he give me the length of AB 8 centimeters and BC 15 centimeters. Where is the length of AC? He didn't give it to me. So I have to get the length of AC myself. How? We have studied before in middle 1 and middle 2 Pythagoras theorem. You remember? To get AC, I have two steps. Since measure of angle B equals 90, therefore, to get the hypotenuse AC, if I want to get the hypotenuse, I have to add the two sides. Okay? It will be AB power 2 means 8 power 2 plus 15 power 2. Okay? You can calculate it. Who get the result? Excellent. It will be 17 centimeters. This is the first step. He didn't ask me to get the side AC, but I have to get it myself. Okay? Then, after I get the side AC, which is 17 centimeters, he asked me to find sine C and cosine A and cosine C and tan C. Okay? So we'll take angle C first. He asked me to get sine C and cosine C and tan C. Okay? Look at the triangle. Where is angle C? This one. Excellent. First, I have to find the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse, which is the side opposite to right angle, which is AC. Okay? And AB is the opposite of angle C, which is 8. And 15 is called the adjacent of angle C. Now, who can tell me the ratio of the sine? Excellent. The ratio of the sine opposite over hypotenuse. What is the opposite of angle C? 8. Excellent. What is the hypotenuse? 17. This ratio in the simplest form? Yes. So you are right. The second one. How we get the cosine? Cosine angle C adjacent, excellent, over hypotenuse. What is the adjacent of angle C? 15. And where is the hypotenuse? 17. Excellent. This one in the simplest form? Yes. The third one, tan C. Who can remember the ratio of the tan, which is opposite over adjacent? What is the opposite of angle C? AB. Excellent, which is 8. And the adjacent is 15. Excellent. You understand? This is to get sine C and cosine C and tan C. Okay? After that, he asked me to get cosine A. To get cosine A, because we are in the first lesson, I have to draw the triangle again, because you are beginner now. This is A and B and C. Now we talk about angle A. So BC, which is 15, is opposite. And AC, 17, is the hypotenuse. And AB, which is 8, is the adjacent. Right? So how we get cosine A? Who can tell me the ratio of cosine? Yes, adjacent over hypotenuse. What is the adjacent of angle A? Excellent, which is 8. And where is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is fixed, which is 17. You have to check. This one in the simplest form? Yes, so you are right. Okay? You understand? This is our lesson today to get the ratio sine and cosine and tan. Okay? After that, we have example 9. Okay? But example 9 is different from example 8, which we solved. Okay? Concentrate now to solve example number 9. Yes. He gave me the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay? So what I will do now, I have to draw the triangle ABC. Draw the triangle ABC. Okay? This triangle is ABC, which is right angle at B. Right. But he didn't give me any side. He gave me the ratio. So before we start to get this ratio, I have to remember you by a rule we took it before. If I have 2x equals 3y, who can tell me how we get the ratio x over y? A ratio x over y, it will be 3 over 2. Excellent. because when we multiply or the cross multiplication over means and extremes, the 2 will be multiplied by x and 3 will be multiplied by y. Okay? You understand it? This is the main idea of our lesson. I have 2ab equals root 3 AC. So, to get the ratio AB over AC, it will be excellent root 3 over 2. Nice. So, the ratio between AB and the AC in the simplest form will be root 3 and 2. Right? This is the ratio, not the real length. So how we get the ratio of BC? Since measure of angle B equals 90. Therefore, how we get BC? By the same way, by using Pythagoras theorem. 2 power 2 minus root 3 power 2. Why minus, semester? Because I want to get a small side. I have the hypotenuse. To get the hypotenuse, make plus. To get the small side, make minus. So it will be 1. This is the ratio, not real length. So don't write centimeters because this is a ratio. Okay? Because you have studied before, the ratio has no unit. You understand it? Excellent. Now he asked me to find what? The trigonometrical ratios of angle C. What is angle C of the triangle? Yes. AC is called what? AC is called the hypotenuse. And where is the opposite? Excellent. AB. And BC is called adjacent. So he asked me find the main trigonometrical ratios. What are the main trigonometrical ratios? Sine C and cosine C and tan C. Okay? Who can remember me the rules? What is the rule of the sine? Opposite over hypotenuse. Yes. You can write the answer directly, but I remember the rule I write the rule to remember you. Okay? The opposite of angle C, root 3, and the hypotenuse is 2. Excellent. Cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. What is the adjacent? BC is 1 and hypotenuse 2. So it will be half in the simplest form, root 3 over 2 in the simplest form. Tan C, do you remember the rule of the tan? Opposite over adjacent. The opposite, root 3. And the adjacent is 1. Right. So in the simplest form, it will be root 3. Okay? You understand, middle 3? Now we have solved page 7. And the homework will be page 6 and page 8. You can solve it in your booklet. Thank you for listening and goodbye, middle 3.